पेपर लीक की हमारे पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है। मैंने उस रीट पिटीशन को अनुध्यान कराया, कोई भी एक भी जगह पे प्रमाण नहीं है। एक एलिगेशन पेपर लीक हुआ है, कहाँ है प्रमाण हुआ है? एक दो चीजों की न्यूज आइटम पे अगर प्रमाण आधारित होता है तब कोर्ट उसको विचार करेगी, सरकार अपना पक्ष रखेगी। वो कोर्ट में 8 जुलाई को चर्चा भी होगी, वो कोर्ट के सामने है। ये जो 3 प्रेस्टिजियस परीक्षा होते हैं, नीट, जेई और सीयूईटी, इसमें से देश की 50 लाख से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स की हर एक साल अभी एग्जामिनेशन हो रहा है। विश्वसनीयता बढ़ी है, इसलिए आने वाले दिनों में सारे प्रकार की शंका संशय को दूर करने के लिए और पारदर्शिता लिया जाएगा, और जो लोग उसमें कहीं ना कहीं एक आधा जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ी करने का कोशिश कर भी रहे होंगे उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई भी लिया जाएगा। देखो, विपक्ष के पास कोई मुद्दा है नहीं। चुनाव में हार के बाद उनके मन में एक इधर उधर के मुद्दा की तलाश में है। ये भी ऐसा उनको लग रहा था कि एक मुद्दा मिल जाएगा, लेकिन जब आज परामर्श और रिकमेंडेशन कोई भी दे, फाइनली जजमेंट तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ही तो दिया ना
कि 24 लाख बच्चों ने जो नीट की जो परीक्षा दी है, उनके भविष्य के साथ जो खिलवाड़ आज इस परीक्षा के द्वारा हुआ है, उस पर एक जांच होनी चाहिए, सीबीआई की जांच होनी चाहिए। आज शिक्षा मंत्री प्रधान जी चुप, जिस एनटीए के नेतृत्व में ये पूरे का पूरा स्कैम हुआ, पेपर लीक हुआ, आप उसी को बोल रहे हो कि आप इंक्वायरी करें। निष्पक्ष जांच की हम अपेक्षा कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Now, amidst escalating concerns over the alleged irregularities in the NEET examinations, the NSUI has also staged protests outside the education minister's residence. They have been demanding a thorough investigation, saying that lakhs of students and their future is now at stake.
देश की हार है, जीत किसकी जीत हुई? आप अपने ही देश के अंदर एक नेशनल बॉडी है, नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी, और आप बोलते हैं वो आके अपने पहले ही हियरिंग के अंदर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि जो ग्रेस नंबर का कॉन्सेप्ट है उससे बच्चों के अंदर डिससेटिस्फैक्शन है, हार्डबर्न है, इसको हम हटा लेते हैं। कल ही तो आपने FAQ निकाला था 24 घंटे पहले, और वहां पे स्ट्रांगली कह रहे थे कि ये जो हमने ग्रेस नंबर दिया है आंसरिंग एफिशिएंसी के बेसिस पे है, माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के 2018 के फैसले पे है। तब 24 घंटे अंदर आपका स्टैंड चेंज हो गया, और ग्रेस नंबर आपने खुद से बताए भी नहीं थे, वो तो हम लोग ने पकड़ा था। ऐसी कितनी चीजें आप और करते हो। आज कहीं ना कहीं माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट मीडिया के थ्रू लोगों को पता चल रहा है कि NTA बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है।
Now, as far as the reactions that have been coming in, of course, when it comes to those students who got grace marks, they have now been given an option rather to appear for a retest, and that's going to happen on the 23rd of this month. But the protests still continue, and taking advantage of such a situation, as far as even in the Supreme Court, there have been pleas that have been filed. The opposition, however, says there are discrepancies, and that needs to be thoroughly looked into, even by when it comes to the inquiries that have been now set up, and it should be irrespective when it comes to the involvement of the NTA also is concerned, because here they seem that only a fair investigation that can happen if the CBI takes over, or it is an investigation that is monitored by the Supreme Court of India. Now, the NTA on its part, and the Education Minister has also said that there are no discrepancies or paper leak or rigging that may have happened according to the allegations that have been led by certain students, and also when it comes to student bodies. We have Meenakshi with us right now. Meenakshi, good morning. How are we looking at this face-off that seems to be only escalating further?
Well, absolutely, Amita. While the face-off is escalating further, one can imagine how anxious the students are feeling, and this segment is dedicated to the students. We have been putting it out from yesterday, and this is something which the NTA rather has uploaded. These are some FAQs of frequently asked questions post the declaration of the NEET results. What exactly is NEET? What's the mandate of the NTA, etc. And then they go on to talk about really, how the entire examination is conducted. What is the role of NTA? If there is any confusion, then they go on to talk about how many students had qualified. That is 13 lakh students who had qualified. Who were the examination functionaries? They mentioned who all were involved, the maximum candidates, who were registered from which it state. And then they talk about the transparency of the process. NTA claims that they have adopted a transparent system and wherein they're using scanned copies of OMRs of all candidates, their responses, etc. Everything they say has been uploaded on the website. Then they go on to talk about the grievance redressal cell, saying that a grievance redressal committee has been formed based on factual reports and functionaries, and also they are looking at CCTV footage from the concerned exam centers. Then they go on to explain exactly the entire process as to how they calculate the marks, how are the compensatory marks calculated, loss of examination time was ascertained. As such, the candidates, they say, were compensated with marks based on their answering efficiency. So any doubts, anything they have, the students have, has been in a detailed document, has been uploaded by the NT. Amitabh, back to you.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you for that. So those are the FAQs that have been now put out by the NTA, especially when it comes to taking hold of all the questions and the doubts that the students may have, seeking for a reappearance on the exam as well when it comes to NEET. With that, we head into a short break. Lots more reactions lined up. And of course, we will be back on the other side of a very short break with the latest headlines.